Hi, welcome back. So I do have a leaking tab. So usually I will change the whole tab, but today I want to change the ceramic cartridge inside. So let's start. Before you begin, do turn off the main. Below my tab here, there's a valve. So at this position there would be a slot for your Allen key, so find a size that fits. Be careful not to lose this tiny screw. Pull it out. This is what the cartridge looks like. Let me unplug this. This thing should come off. Okay. Using a spanner, open the cartridge. So this is what the cartridge looks like. When you order online, make sure you have the correct gear side. It should fit into this hole. If not, you have to buy a separate handle to fit it. Mine is this one. I bought two. One of them did not fit, it was quite loose. This is the right fit. So let's go ahead and fix it in. Make sure you tighten this quite well. Fix this back. Just like that. Right. Okay, let's try it on the valve and see. This is what the smaller size looks like. It's the same thing, only thing is the difference in this size. Okay, but this also can be fixed. All you need is handle to go with it. You just have to put it in and it works